Hi friends, the last video we have seen what is the definition of Fourier transform and Fourier inverse transform. In this video we have solved using that case. Yes, so this is the example we are going to discuss today. Find the Fourier transform of the gate function f is defined by f of x equal to 1 whenever x lies between minus a to plus a, that is mod x less than a means the meaning is x lies between minus a to plus a, 0 when is mod x is greater than a. Then you evaluate this improper integral. Now we are going to solve this problem. So from the definition, Fourier transform of f of x equal to integral over minus infinity to plus infinite times f of x times exponential of minus I omega x dx. So in our problem, f has the support only at minus a, between minus a to plus a, remaining value is 0. So in this integral I can write minus infinity to minus a, that is function is 0 times exponential of minus I omega x dx plus integral over minus a to plus a 1 times exponential of minus I omega x dx plus a to infinite, the function value is 0, exponential of minus I omega x dx. So clearly the first quantity is become 0 because it's multiply 0. So these two quantities become 0. Only the second category minus a to plus a exponential of minus I omega x dx. This is equal to, if you are integrating exponential of minus I omega x divided by minus I omega. Lower limit is minus a, upper limit is plus a. This is equal to exponential of minus I omega a minus plus exponential of plus I omega a divided by I omega. So this is nothing but 2 times sin a omega divided by omega. This is Fourier transform of the given gate function. So the given function, if you take the Fourier transform, you will get it like that. Now we are going to evaluate this improper integral. This improper integral, so what is the idea is we are going to apply the inverse Fourier transform. What is the inverse Fourier transform? That is f of x equal to 1 over 2 pi integral over minus infinity to plus infinite f of omega times exponential of plus I omega x times d omega. So what is our f of x is? F of x is given function is the function is 1 whenever x is mod x is less than a, 0 otherwise, correct. So this is equal to, this function is equal to 1 over 2 pi times integral over minus infinity to plus infinity. F of omega is sin a omega divided by omega, so 2 times exponential of I omega x dx. So these two and these two will cancel out each other. So sorry, this is about d omega. Now you look, this is the case. So this implies directly you can write it as minus infinity to plus infinite sin a omega divided by omega times exponential of I omega x d omega. This is equal to, I can write pi whenever x is less than a, 0 whenever x is greater than a. In this scenario, our integrand is what? I want to evaluate minus infinity to plus infinite sin a omega divided by omega. I require this guy is, I want to make it, this guy is 1. I want to convert. When it's possible, whenever x equal to, because omega is a running variable, I don't have any hand in me, and I also, I means square root of minus 1. So that is also fixed number. I have the rights to, I can choose x value. So x equal to 0, what will become my right hand side? Right hand sides become pi. Correct? So whenever x equal to 0, so whenever I put x equal to 0, this implies integral over minus infinity to plus infinite sin a omega divided by omega times d omega equal to pi. This only I have to evaluate. I hope you understand how to find the Fourier transform of any given function, and similarly one of the application is to evaluate the improper integral using the Fourier transform. Thank you for watching this video.